Hi, in front of me is TCL 25G, and today I would like to show you how you can lock apps on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, select security over here, scroll down again and tap on apps lock. Over here, you need to select your pattern. Choose continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it. After that, you can click on add apps and finally pick apps that you want to lock. I will go with camera, so I have to click on it and tap on the top right corner over here. So now when I go back and try to access camera, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!